At Thai International School, our early years program builds the strongest life foundations for your child from the very beginning.
At this age, children are like sponges. Starting school early helps them build foundational life skills like following routines, expressing themselves, and interacting with others, all while in a loving and safe environment.
By the time they arrive in K1 after a year in nursery, they've already learned independence like using the toilet, washing their hands, putting on their shoes by themselves. They are able to have positive interactions with their peers and so much more. We work on fine motor skills like holding crayons, cutting with scissors, and building with blocks. These skills set them up for success in writing and working more independently in each subsequent grade level.
We sing songs, read stories, and use lots of expressive language during playtime. Students quickly begin to speak both in English and Thai, often surprising their parents.
They learn to share, take turns, and recognize their emotions. It's beautiful to see them building friendships and learning empathy through guided play.
We see so much growth in just a few short months.
It's the best time to start your child's learning journey, and at TIS, we make sure it's filled with love, laughter, and learning.
Enroll your child today and give them the best possible start. Now accepting applications for nursery to grade 6 at Thai International School.